This is a message from Simon Kuei. This is our advice to those who like to run the political. He said, Simon Kuei said that if you plan to change your mind and want to run politics, it is much better to leave Dr. Machar in a way that can allow you to survive from political agenda. I have a hard time to attend several meetings, but when it comes to schedule a meeting with Dr. Machar, I always attend that meeting. If a schedule has been made for Dr. Machar to meet with the people in the USA, then the people start coming from Canada, New York, and other places to attend that meeting. If you want to survive from politics and gain more audiences, it is good not to use the name of Dr. Machar several times. Salva Kiir got nerve because he knew that he couldn't debate with Dr. Machar during election campaign trial. Dr. Machar has 1 million supporters in South Sudan. You cannot compete with him. If you understand the fact, run your politics in a smart way that can benefit you from losing ground. This advice to those who challenge Dr. Machar. Do not call Dr. Machar name for no reason. Do not use Dr. Machar name for politics. Do not use Dr. Machar for humility. This is forbidden. Dr. Machar is a politician who wants to free all South Sudanese from dictatorial. He wants South Sudan to be freed. He needs people to be treated fairly. That's what he wants. If you are running your politics, please restrain from using his name.